How to download and install Amazon Prime Video app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Amazon Prime Video app in your mobile phone. So let's get started now. First, if you are on your iPhone, head over to your App Store, and if you're on your Android, you can simply head over to your Google Play Store. After you're there, simply head over to the search bar and then search for Amazon Prime Video. After you search for Amazon Prime Video should pop up. This is the one. Now simply install it. After you tap on the install button, it should start installing. And now while this installs, if you are new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after it's been installed, simply open it. And after you open it, you will need to sign in with your account. So make sure that you have your account ready. And now simply type in your phone number and then continue. And then yeah, that is how you do it. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching.